If you find yourself in need of tackling painting tasks either at home or in outdoor settings, you'll want tools that combine easy portability with the ability to deliver professional quality results. This is precisely where cordless paint sprayers come into play. Typically compact and lightweight, these tools boast standout portability without being constrained by area limitations. In today's video, we're excited to present to you the top 7 portable cordless paint sprayers. These devices are designed to enhance precision across various painting projects. Without any unnecessary delay, let's dive right into the video.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at DTech TS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
Starting with the Sunjoe PS1, a cordless painting tool that brings out pro-quality paint results by its innovative technologies and standard runtime. With a 24-volt 4-amp-hour battery, you can operate this sprayer for up to 20 minutes on a single charge and paint up to 3.2 gallons with no fade in power. Besides, it has an onboard paint container that can hold up to 32 fluid ounces of paint, primer, stain, and more, so you won't have to refill it back and forth while at your job site. Also, it comes with the high-volume low-pressure HVLP technology that evenly disperses the flow of paint, so you can get rid of overspray and paint waste. Additionally, the PS1 includes 6-piece accessories with 3 spray nozzles. As a result, you'll get 3 different spray patterns to paint up your small and large areas flawlessly. So if you need a portable paint sprayer, you must check out this lightweight tool that weighs only 4.4 pounds and ensures you enough runtime with accurate paint results. Perfect for small to large DIY projects, the CACOOP cordless paint sprayer is lightweight and comes under an affordable price tag. It's powered by a 24-volt 4,000 amp-hour battery, which helps it to run up to 20 minutes so you can complete your painting without any hassle. Plus, you can control its range with the range paddle switch, while the trigger lets you control the flow rate of the paint for precise results. Apart from that, it has 3 spray patterns that are vertical, horizontal, and circular. As a result, you can use them for your different types of painting depending on the job site demands. Moreover, the front part of this paint sprayer is completely detachable, so you can remove the battery and motor parts to clean them in water. Overall, it includes a 1,000 milliliter container, a viscosity cup that supports multiple viscosities, and more things, while coming with superior painting technologies, making it a worthy purchase indeed. Lightweight yet powerful, meet the LINGYUE, a portable paint sprayer powered by Makita battery and has many beneficial features. This cordless gun is packed with the 18-volt lithium Makita battery that ensures a standard runtime level, while the 800 milliliter paint container makes it an ideal tool for large area spraying. With a maintenance-free brushless motor, it reduces the electric sparks interference and run friction to provide lower noise and higher stability. Its high-technology atomization, powerful motor, and wind-driven action allow you to paint faster and more efficiently to save time. In short, LINGYUE is the most lightweight and easy-to-use spray gun that can be used for indoor or outdoor projects like vehicles, exterior walls, furniture, craft, and so many that you can think of. Now, get your hands on the Tirgo cordless paint sprayer, the most affordable handheld spray gun that provides you a huge runtime to complete your large area painting. Equipped with 2 units of 3,000 mAh batteries, this cordless tool lets you use it for up to 40 minutes. Furthermore, you can adjust the spray gun to 3 different spray patterns such as horizontal, vertical, and round, while the 4 nozzle sides allow you to take up any painting projects like furniture, cars, garage doors, walls, etc. Plus, it features a large 800 milliliter container, which saves your time when working for a long time and can spray up to 8 gallons per hour. And thanks to its easy disassembly, every part of the machine can be easily cleaned. In short, if you're doing regular painting and require an affordable yet highly featured tool with runtime, you must keep this Tirgo cordless paint sprayer on your shortlist. Meet the Ryobi P651K, a PROTIP handheld paint sprayer that's easy to work with and contains the ONE+ system battery, which can be used on up to 225 Ryobi products. Coming with an ergonomic design, you can rotate its reversible spray tip 180 degrees to clear clogs, then rotate it back again to continue spraying. Plus, it comes with a 1.5 quart quick lock container, so you can easily lock it into place to prevent spills and use it for a long time without refilling. In addition, this PROTIP can be used for painting or staining decks, garage doors, cabinets, outdoor furniture, and many more things to bring out professional-level outcomes. To sum up, this ergonomic paint sprayer is a portable and highly featured tool that can be used by any professional to bring efficiency to his regular work. Are you looking for a cordless paint sprayer to complete your tough painting projects? Then look no further, because we have the Neu Master NSG, a super flexible spraying gun that comes with a bigger capacity and is best for your DIY projects. With a powerful 2 amp-hour battery, this spray gun offers a standard level of runtime while allowing you to do several kinds of painting tasks freely by getting rid of the cord. Plus, it's equipped with a 900 milliliter paint container, which can be used to spray up to 54 square feet of large area in a single fill. This portable spray gun can be set up easily for every project with power settings, while the 3 different size nozzles allow you to do various types of painting. Furthermore, the soft non-slip grip makes it comfortable to operate for hours without having any hand fatigue, while the top cap design ensures extra convenience to add paint than a normal wireless paint gun. In case you require such a paint sprayer that's a value for money product, this one has lots of beneficial aspects. Here comes the most efficient spray gun, the Graco 17M367, which is the only tool that's capable of spraying water-based, solvent, and flammable architectural coatings and is tested by the pros. This sprayer runs on a DeWalt 20V lithium-ion battery, which allows it to spray up to 1 gallon of paint with each charge. Having the smart control technology, this spray gun gives a flawless finish with no thinning, while the static shock protection of this tool removes the potential for sparks. Additionally, it features a durable carbide piston for extended reliability and full tip support, while the ProConnect system allows you to replace the pump in 3 steps with a screwdriver easily. Moreover, you can adjust the motor speed to control the power of paint delivery. As a result, you'll get a professional finish regardless of the job condition. All things together, powered with a highly efficient battery and capable of spraying water-based solvent and flammable architectural coatings, this superior spray gun will surely assist the pros in every possible way. So that was our list of the 7 best portable cordless paint sprayers just for you.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.